What's up, people? So on today's project, we're gonna try to do the de-icing, dry ice to get the sound deadening out of the car. I personally haven't done it before, so it's gonna be my first time. But I've been watching tons of videos on it, and I came across one that looks like they actually know what they're doing. So I'm gonna follow those methods. The mixture of the dry ice is you mix it and you get 91% isopropyl alcohol, and you try to crush it up as much as possible and make it a paste and spread it everywhere. And when you hit a crack stopping in the sound deadening, it's supposed to be ready to come off. So that's what we're gonna try. Alright, so now that I got the car already vacuumed and cleaned out, went and picked up a block of dry ice. I got a 10-pound piece of dry ice, come in a block. You can get it in pellets, whatever form the ice company sells it as. I prefer to take the block because you get more for your money, so I'll just break it up. Yeah, so after I break it up, I have 99% proof alcohol that you're supposed to mix with it to get it colder. I might be saying something wrong, I don't know, so I'm pretty sure somebody in the comments is gonna correct me on it. But yeah, I was told to mix it up with the isopropyl alcohol, break it up, make it a paste as pasty as possible, put it in the car, and let it do its job. It's magic. Oh yeah, there you go. There we go.
Kids, don't try this at home.
Well, it works. This is done. You can see all the bad places where the hidden rust is. You can either hit it with the hit the bed with the hammer to shock it. But other than that, you really don't need to.
I love you.
We got the up front panels done. Took maybe about an hour and a half. Ran out of ice, dry ice. We'll finish up the other two panels another day. But for now, I gotta admit, this is about at least 40 pounds of sound deadening. So if you're looking to track your car, this is something to look into, because all this is weight. So you need the weight reduction. But yeah, about 40 pounds in only these 4 panels. And we still got the other 2 panels to go plus the back. So yeah, I mean, the dry ice thing works. It works really good. Honestly, compared, you know, just gotta clean it up. But yeah, it's pretty damn good. They came off in chunks a little bit. I feel if we would have got more dry ice, it would have worked a little better, or maybe some finer dry ice. Other than that, it's good. I mean, next video should be finishing up this, or I don't know what we're gonna jump to next, but I'm satisfied with the dry ice and alcohol. So yeah, catch you guys next time.